Very good evening, everybody. So, Rudra, mute. Okay, good. Now, so yesterday we have done a little bit about income tax. So, yesterday we know that we have started with the income tax. We all understand that it is a direct tax. We all know that it is a central law. It is applicable to all of India, and it is uniformly everybody will pay. If you are earning similar income, then everybody will pay similar type of taxes. It's a central tax. Now the question is, I believe Lakshana was asking me yesterday. Let's say, for example, who will pay the tax? The question is that who will pay the tax? We understand assessee will pay the tax. So you don't write it, guys. You understand assessee will pay the tax. Now, who is this assessee? Assessee is a person. So yesterday we have noted down. Na? So who is this assessee? Assessee is a person who is actually earning income. So this person can be a individual assessee also. This can be an individual assessee also. This person can be a partnership firm also. Partnership firm can also earn income. They have to pay their taxes. This person can be a assessee, can be a company also. Right? So there are different kinds of assessee. There are so many other assessee also. But yes, these are some of the very common assessee which you find. Let's say, for example, there is a person, Mr. X. Don't write anything. As of now, just understand this. Let's say you are a chartered accountant, and in your office, Mr. X comes to you. So he comes to you and he says that I am a director of a company. So he is saying that I am a director of a company. Let's say he is a managing director. So he's a MD of the company. He owns this company mainly, and he's a major shareholder also. And he says, can you please compute the income of my company, and thereafter please also compute the taxes of my company. So this person is coming to you, and now your job is to compute his income. Whose income? Mr. X income or his company's income? Let's say the company name is XYZ Limited. The name of the company is XYZ Limited. Now he is coming to you to compute the income of his company. So what are you doing? You are doing computation of income. Computation of income and computation of taxes you are doing of XYZ Limited. Lakshana, till here, everybody, everything is clear? Lakshana, you were asking me na yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
what you are doing, you are computing their income. Whose income you are doing? You are computing the company's income. That how much is the company's income? How you will compute? I will tell you during the course. We will learn how we will compute. But you should. I'm just giving you this word. That what does it word mean? So you are computing their income. That whatever the income they have earned in this year. Our year is 2025-26. This is our financial year for our examination. So how much income this company has earned in this year? What are you doing? You are computing the income. So there is another synonym of it. I can use another word. What I am doing assessment. Assessment of what? I am doing assessment of XYZ Limited. I am assessing, I am computing their income, and then I am computing the taxes also. This is known as that I am doing assessment of XYZ Limited for this financial year. These words are all clear to you, everybody?
Yes,
So
sir.
instead of, see, normal
Yes.
English language, I can use the word that I am computing their income. In income tax wordings, in income tax language, I am using the word that I am doing an assessment of XYZ Limited. So I can also say that right now I am doing an assessment of a company. Can I say this? that I am doing an assessment of a company? I can say this. Now let's say, take a second scenario. There is an individual who comes to you, sorry, there is a person who comes to you, let's say Mr. A, and he says that I am a partner. Let's say two people come to you. Two people comes to your office and they say, sir or ma'am, can you compute our partner? We have a partnership firm. Can you compute the income of the firm? You will say, yes, I can compute it. How we will compute that, we will study, guys. Don't worry about that. But let's say you know how to compute it. So you will say, yes, I can compute your firm's income. So what are you doing? You are doing assessment of a partnership firm. Let's say third scenario, there is a person, let's say Mr. Z comes to you and he says, sir, I don't have a company, I don't have a partnership firm, I have a business, I am the sole owner of the business, I'm the sole proprietor, and I have few income also. It is my income only. I don't have a company, I don't have a partnership firm, it is my income. So please, can you compute my income also? We will say, yes, we can compute your income also. So what are we doing? We are doing assessment of individual. Everybody is understanding it? Lakshana, is your doubt clear?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So this is known as assessment. So for which type of assessee you are computing the income, that is called, we are doing assessment of this, we are doing assessment of the firm, we are doing assessment of a cooperative society, we are doing a assessment of Hindu undivided family, HUF, we are doing an assessment of a local authority, we are doing an assessment of an individual. So all these people, local authority, HUF, whatever the income they are earning, how much tax they have to pay. So whenever we are computing it, so we are doing an assessment of that. So in CA intermediate, the institute tech actually gives assessment of individual. So they will give you questions of an individual where you have to do the assessment, you have to do the computation, you have to do the calculations of for individual assessee. Everyone clear? Please, if you have any doubt, please ask. Guys, my screen is clear to everybody now? My screen
Yes,
is
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. Thank you. In case anytime you feel there is any issue, please do let me know. Okay, so we are doing assessment of individual right now. So yesterday we have seen that individual pays tax as per the slab rate, and now we have learned the slab rate also, 0 to 4 lakh. So can I say up till 4 lakh there is no tax? Can I say, guys, up till 4 lakh, if person is earning only 4 lakh income, how much tax he has to pay? This person is saying I am earning only 4 lakh.
Nil.
Zero, nil. Correct na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I use the word that up till 4 lakh the tax is exempt? Guys, can I use the word up till 4 lakh there is no tax? You are exempt from income tax? Can I use this
Yes,
word?
sir.
Everybody
Yes,
is
sir.
okay with this word now? Your
Yes, sir.
your taxes are
Yes, sir.
exempted. So can I write, everybody write with me, if somebody asks you that what is the basic exemption limit? What is the basic exemption limit? So I will say 4 lakh. Up till 4 lakh, your limit is, if you are earning up till 4 lakh, this is exempt. So there is a word which is known as basic exemption limit. So this is the exemption limit. 4 lakh is after 4 lakh, there is no exemption. But 4 lakh is the basic exemption limit. So please write it. So whenever I will ask you now that what is the basic exemption limit, so your answer should be, sir, 4 lakh is the basic exemption limit. Up till 4 lakh, we don't pay taxes. But whenever we crosses this 4 lakh, then we have to pay taxes also. Correct? Now, now, everybody, please write an example with me. Compute the income tax of Mr. Let's say Hari. Compute the income tax of Mr. Hari for the year 25, 26 is every time we compute the tax for an entire year. So this year is 25, 26. What does it mean? It means that Hari is a person who has earned income between this particular period. So when I say for this year, so I need his income. You can write this also. From 1st April 2025, whatever he has earned till 31st of March 2026, he wants that how much tax I have to pay on this income. You can write it right now. Otherwise, in other examples, you don't have to write it. But I am just writing it to make you understand that whatever he has earned in this year, he is asking me to calculate the taxes. I will say, okay, Hari, what is the source of your income? From where you have earned this income? He said, please write that, guys. He said, my salary income is 3 lakh. My house property income is 4 lakh. And my income from other sources is, let's say, 2.5 lakh. Okay. So I will say, okay, your income is 3 plus 4 plus 2.5. How much it is? 9.5. Is it 9.5 lakh? So his total income is 9.5 lakh. Please write his total income is 9.5 lakh. He is getting income from salary, house property, and IFOS. House property, what it is? Rental income from a building. Rental income. What is IFOS? Any other income which is not taxable in other four heads, which is salary. If it is not taxable in salary, not taxable in house property, not taxable as a business income, not taxable as a capital gain, then income from other sources. So he might be earning. Can you give me some examples of income from other sources, everyone? Interest income. What else? Dividend income, right? Dividend income, bank interest. What else? Lottery income, right? So all these things are IFOS income. So as of now, IFOS is 2.5 lakh. So his income is 9.5 lakh. Okay. Guys, what is the tax rate? You all know how to compute the tax. So what you will write? Tax on above. Please write. You have to learn the presentation also, no? So how you will write? Tax on above. So you understand, first 4 lakh, the tax rate is nil. Everybody. Second limit is what? From 4 to 8. So we are crossing 8. Next 4 lakh, 8 minus 4, 4 lakh. The tax rate is 5%. Next limit is from 8 till 12. Next limit is from 8 till 12, 10%. But are we going till 12? No, we are going till 9.5. So 9.5 minus 8 is what? 1.5. So 1.5 lakh, the tax rate is 10%. And guys, now you got it, that 4 plus 4 plus 1.5, 9.5. I think we have done it correctly. So how much is the tax? 0, 20,000 and 15,000. Now the tax comes to 35,000. Correct? This is what you all know. Guys, any doubt here? Nikita, Deepa, Sani, Sushmita,
No,
any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
Anyone has
No,
any
no,
doubt,
sir.
please
No.
ask. Okay, all clear now? So again, so who is the assessee, guys? Who is the assessee? Is it a company? Is it a partnership firm or individual?
Individual.
Individual.
We are doing assessment of whom? We are doing assessment of individual.
Individual.
For which year we are doing? For 25, 26.
25, 26.
What does it mean? It means that during this year, he earned income. During this year, he earned income, salary, house property, income from other sources. Total, he earned 9.5 lakh. So he has to pay 35,000 rupees of tax. So Hari will pay 35,000. Somebody else will pay some amount of tax. All the people of India, those who all are earning income, they will pay some tax or the other. Now this tax will go to the government, central government, and we all know central government will use this money. They will use this money for the development of the economy, for infrastructure, for health sector, for education sector, for defense sector, and for so many things. For so many things, they would be using this money. Correct. Guys, in 2000, you don't have to learn the year, but I'm just telling you a brief history of it. One of the things. In 2004, don't write it anywhere, you don't have to learn. In 2004, when finance minister was giving his budget speech in 2004, that person said, finance minister said, that people, you are paying your taxes, thank you so much, but we need little bit extra from you. We need little bit extra from you. That extra amount, specifically, we will be using it for our primary education. That extra amount, guys, you don't have to learn it, you don't have to write it anywhere, not required. I'm giving you a history. So in 2004, way back, you were not even born at that time, right? So 2004, the finance minister said that that people of India, we need little bit more from you. Apart from this 35,000, hurry, we need little bit extra. That is for our primary education. Although this money is also used for education purpose, no doubt, but this money is used for various purposes. But he said that for a very, very specific purpose, we need a money. How much? He said that I am bringing an education. Don't write it. Education cess, CESS. So what he said, that I am introducing 2% education cess. In 2004, he introduced it. He said that please, those people who are paying taxes, please pay 2% more. And this will be utilized, this money will be utilized for our primary education. Primary education means those less than class 5. For this purpose, that there is so much of uneducation, the people are not educated, the children are not getting proper education. So we need little bit more money for that, so that we can support education of children. So he introduced 2% education cess. Guys, if you want to write somewhere, cess is nothing but cess is, you can write somewhere in the margin that cess is nothing but it is a kind of tax. It is a kind of tax. So cess means it's a kind of tax. There is another word for tax. We call it cess. CESS. So education cess he introduced. Don't write this because now it is changed. So 2% introduced. 2% of what? 2% of your income. He said, no. A very little amount I need. 2% of your taxes. So 35,000 into 2%. How much it becomes, guys?
700.
700 rupees. So he said that please pay 700 rupees more as an income tax. And this is an education cess for primary education. And he made it that now your income tax will become 35,700. Don't write it. Right. So now we have to pay 2% from 2004 onwards. This 2% was introduced in Income Tax Act. Now the total income tax becomes 35,700. Guys, any doubt over here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. If you have any doubt, please do ask. Okay. Now, after 3 years, see, 2004 they introduced this. Don't have to learn the year, guys. Nobody has to learn this year. Then, after 3 years, 2007, he said, thank you so much. You are paying taxes. You are paying 2% as a primary education cess. We need little bit more money for our secondary and higher education. For our class 12th or other higher education, we need to support that also. So he has increased this education cess from 2%. After 3 years, the finance minister has increased to 3%. And since 2007 till 2016, 17, 18, it was 3% only. So for another 10 years around, it was 3% only. Whenever we have to compute the taxes, after computing the taxes, we were adding 3% as education cess. Got it? Now later, in 2016-17, what they did is they have said, okay, we are deleting it. We are deleting it. Now we are bringing that we need for education also and for health also extra amount. And they deleted it and they made it 4%. They made it 4% and they named it health and health and now you can write education cess 4%. 4% of your taxes. So 35,000 into 4%. So 1400 now you have to pay. Now your tax liability will become 36,400. Now this is your income tax liability. So whatever all the questions which we have done yesterday, you don't have to redo them, but it was not complete. We have to add 4% health and education cess also. Right now you can write the full name. Anyone mic is if you're not on mute, better. Correct. Now 36,400. So now every time whenever you calculate your taxes, you have to add 4% health and education cess. Right now you can write the full name health and education cess, but going forward from next example or in your exams also, you don't have to write the full name, you just have to write cess 4%. Understood? Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Written? Everybody has written this?
Yes, sir.
Now again, one more example and then I'll come to the next concept. Compute tax liability of Mr. Shri. He has a house property income of 5 lakh. He has business income of rupees 9 lakh 20,500 and he has IFOS 2 lakh 10,365. Tell me the total.
16 lakh 10,365, sir.
16 lakh 30,000 865. Everybody, is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is known as total income. Total income. Guys, wait, please wait, please wait. Don't jump into it. Please wait. This is known as total income, right? 16 lakh 30,865. Now, whenever we compute my taxes, my total income should be rounded off. It should be a round figure in the multiple of 10. In the multiple of 10, correct? So last figure should always be 0. So whenever we'll compute the taxes, my total income, the last figure should always be 0. So let's say how you will make it multiple of 10, you know it. In mathematics, what you do? Same way. Let's say the last number is 5 or more than 5, then you shift to the next digit. Correct? Now, this is what you do in mathematics. Same thing you have to do here. So if the last number is 4 or less than 4, you will go to the previous number. And if the last digit is 5 or more than 5, you will go to the next number. So here we will have to, first of all, total income has to be rounded off. So this is, now you will say total income rounded off. And what it will become? 16 lakh 30,008 65 or 70? 70. Multiple of 10. So it should be 60, 70, 80. Everybody got it? Please tell me,
Yes.
if this would have been 4, then what would be the income? 860. Got it? Everybody, no doubt about it? So total income should be rounded off. I have to tell this little bit later, but I thought that you guys are intelligent enough, you can understand this. Right. So this has to be rounded off. Any doubt over here?
No.
No, sir. No,
They-
sir.
There is a section number which says, see, whatever we do, that there is a provision to it. So there is a section number of Income Tax Act which says that you have to round it off. You don't have to remember the section number, but right now write it. Just for your knowledge purpose, you don't have to remember. Guys, mostly in Income Tax Act, I will never say that you have to remember the section number, but very few places, at a very, very few places, I will say that, yes, please write, please try to remember this section number, but at a very few places, rarely I will say. Generally, I will say section number is not required, and in fact, it is not required. Now, it is actually, there is a section in Income Tax Act under section, why we have written off, we say U/S, it is known as under section 288 capital A. So this round off, who says this? Income Tax Act section number 288A says this, that we have to round off our total income. No doubt. This section number you can write for your reference, guys, but you don't have to learn it. Don't learn it. Now, please, everybody calculate the taxes. Now what you will write? Tax on above. So you will calculate tax on 865 or you will calculate tax on 870? 870. So tax on above. Tell me. First 4 lakh, nil. Next 4 lakh, 5%. Next 4 lakh, see, till here 12 lakh we have done, 10%. Next 4 lakh, 15%. And then 16 lakh we have covered. So what is remaining? 30 lakh, 870. Guys, everybody is comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt anywhere how I got this, let me know. Now the taxes would be nil, 20,000, 40,000, 60,000,
6,174.
correct, very good, 6174, add it,
One
I
lakh
believe-
26,174.
very good, you have calculated today, I can see now, 126,174, very good. Is it okay? Should I leave it or something I have to do
Yes.
more?
Yes.
Very good,
Cess.
very good. So how much? 4% cess. Don't write the full name now, not required, but you should know. If somebody asks you what is the full name, so you should know. Right? Correct, na? So it's my reputation also, na? You should know this. Health and education cess, right? Otherwise cess. So how much it is?
5,047.
Correct. 50. You are getting 46.9, so you can ignore that decimal. So you can write 5047. No issues. Perfect. Now, if you will add it, 131 220 221. This is called tax liability. That his liability to pay the taxes is how much? 1,31,221. Got it? Rounded off. Under section. Which section, guys? Which section? Try. 288B. Total income is rounded off under 288A. Tax liability is also rounded off to the multiple of 10, same way. So it will become 131,220. Same way. You don't have to remember the section number, guys, but you have to round it off. So if you are not mentioning this in your homework, in your test paper, in your exam paper, no issue. But every time, two things are only rounded off. Guys, should I round off this business income, IFOS? No. Only total income is rounded off and only tax liability is rounded off. Correct? No other thing is rounded off. Correct? I am writing a summary over here. Can I write a summary so that you can remember? I am writing a summary over here. So, only summary only two amounts are rounded off. To the nearest multiple of 10. Only two amounts are rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10. One is total income under section 288A, and second is tax liability after adding cess. Tax liability after adding cess under section 288B. But guys, write the section, forget about the section. Nobody has asked you. You don't have to write it anywhere. So example, if the number is 1,22,363.5, so what it will become? 122,360 it will become. If the number is 11,266.67, what it will become, guys? Tell me. 11,002. What it will?
67.
67 or 70? 70. Always after, it should be in multiple of 10. Correct, na? It should be in multiple of 10. So it is 666, na? So don't look at this. It was 66. So it will go to the next number. So it will be 70. Okay, everybody tell me, you should not be confused here. Everybody has to be correct. Let's say 12,188. What it will become?
12,001.
12,190. Okay. 11,161.
11,160.
11,160. I believe everybody got it. No issues. Simple.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, guys, what is the capital gain? What is the capital gain? How capital gain arises? What type of income it is? Whenever we sell the asset. Whenever we sell the asset, it is capital gain. Now don't write it. Just listen to this. Let's say a person is selling a land. It is a capital gain. Let's say he sold the land and he earned rupees 3 lakh. It is a capital gain. He sold the land. Land is an asset. Let's say, for example, he sold gold. Gold is also an asset. Let's say I'm assuming that his business is not in gold. For example, if a jeweler is selling gold, so that would be his business income. But a person, let's say normal person, let's say for example, this person is a salaried person. He's having a salary income and he sold the gold. And how much he sold it for? 5 lakh. So this is also a capital gain. For example, he sold debentures. That is also asset. He sold it, not interest rate. He sold it. He earned 2 lakh rupees out of it. And let's say he sold what should I say, house. So this is 30 lakh he earned over here. And he sold the land. When he sold the land, I'm coming back to here. He sold the land, he purchased this land 10 years before. So he sold the land after 10 years. Gold he sold after 1.5 years. He purchased the gold before 1.5 years and now he sold it. And it was 5 lakh. Debentures he sold after 6 months. House he sold after 1.8 years. So, are you all understanding this? That he has purchased the land 10 years back and then he sold it. He sold the gold after 1.5 years. 1.5 years before he purchased it, now he sold it. House he purchased 1.8 years before and now he sold it. Now, these all are capital gain. How much is his capital gain? You can add it and you can say that this is the capital gain. No issues. Now, there are two types of capital gain. One is long term. Don't write it. Don't write it. One is long term. Second is short term. So there are two types of capital gain. One is long term. Second is short term. How we will see that what is a long term, what is a short term? Any asset which you sell after 2 years. If you hold for 2 years, after that if you sell, it becomes a long term. But if you sell before 2 years or exactly 2 years also, you are selling it, it is a short term. Got it? So 2 years is the parameter. More than 2, long term. 2 years or less than 2, short term. Exactly 2 years, short term. Got it? Now please tell me, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Tell me, first one, long term or short term?
Long term.
Long term capital gain. So we call it LTCG, long term capital gain. And I believe all others are short term, short term,
Short term.
short term. Everybody got it? So there are two types of capital gain. One is long term, other is short term. Then let's say fifth, he sold shares. He sold shares, equity shares. He sold and he earned 2 lakh rupees on it. And he sold for after 3 years. Guys, what is this? Long term, short term?
Long term.
It is long term. Okay, it is long term capital gain. Everybody, I'm just giving you an idea. There is something called as long term, short term. Everybody, please write types of capital gain. Types of capital gain. And I am dividing this into two parts. Long term capital gain and short term capital gain. Long term capital gain is further divided into two parts. Long term capital gain is further divided into two parts. In one part, you take only equity shares. In one part, you take only equity shares and all other is other long term. In one part, you take only equity shares and all other is other long term. Here, short term is also divided into two parts. In one part, you take only equity shares and it is other short term. Again, I'm revising it. Capital gains are of two types. One is long-term capital gain. Second is short-term capital gain. Long-term capital gain is one, again divided into two parts. Only shares take it out. Shares take it out. All other capital long-term will go in other category. Short-term capital gain, only shares take it out, and all other short-term will go in other category. Correct? Now, write an example. Just leave one or two line over here. Write an example for me. Mr. Suresh sold the following assets. Mr. Suresh sold the following assets. He sold shares of Tata Motors, and the holding period. What is holding period, guys? For how much he was holding it, for how much time he hold it. So he hold it for 3 years, and the capital gain is rupees 4 lakh. He sold shares of Tata Motors 3 years, and the capital gain is 4 lakh. He also sold a land in Chennai. He has a land in Chennai. It was for 4.5 years. He hold it for 4.5 years. He purchased it 4.5 years back, and now he sold it, and he earned 10 lakh rupees on this. And he also sold jewelry which was 5 years old, and he earned 2 lakh rupees on it. Guys, please tell me, I'm pausing here. Please tell me all the capital gain which he earned. How much is the capital gain? First of all, tell me. Everything is capital gain. So if I ask you that how much is the capital gain, you will say, sir, 4 plus 10 plus 2, 16 lakh is the total capital gain. So 16 lakh is the total capital gain as of now. Please tell me what type of capital gain it is. Long term or short term? Just tell me long term or short term.
Long term.
First one is long term. I am writing it over here. This is long term. And this is long term. And this is also long term. Correct. Okay. Guys, how much will come over here? He sold shares of Tata Motors. These are equity shares. These are equity shares. How much will come over here? Tell me. This is all long term. So can I write long term is how much? 4 plus 10 plus 2, 16 lakh is, please write it over here, 16 lakh. Write over here, long term is 16 lakh. Total long term is 16 lakh. Now please divide this into two parts. Please divide this into two parts. How much would be on equity shares? Tell me how much is on equity shares. Amount. Tell me.
4 lakh.
4 lakh.
4 lakh.
Very good. So please write 4 lakh over here. And tell me all other will go over here. All other will go over here. Please tell me how much will go over here. Everything
12
else.
lakh.
12 lakh. Very
12
good.
lakh.
12 lakh. Very good. This is 12 lakh. Guys, here long-term capital gain. Till yesterday and even till now, I have told you that people pay tax as per the slab rates. But this is not 100% true. There are certain special income. Don't write it. But in income tax, there are some special income which are not taxable at slab rates. Whenever we earn this income, there is some other rate of tax on it. We call it special rate of tax. And one of the special income is long-term capital gain. So long-term capital gain, whenever a person earns long-term capital gain, we don't apply those rates. We apply some other rates. This is known as other long-term. Please write, it is known as section 112. Just write section 112. And equity share is section 112A. 112 and 112A. So long term, it is taxable at a rate of 12.5%. So whenever we earn this income, this person has to pay tax of 12.5% on long-term capital gain. Got it? So this is 112 other long-term. So this person has to pay tax at a rate of straight away 12.5%, special rate of tax. Now, I am not completing it right now. Before that, I would like to give an example, then I'll come back. One by one, we'll take example, then we'll come back. We'll take example, we'll come back. Correct? Now, you understood all other is long term is taxable at a rate of, what is the tax rate? 12.5%. Now, guys, you can leave some 4-5 lines over here. Then at least I need some 4 to 5 lines you can leave, and then write an example. Example. Calculate tax of Shankara. So let us calculate tax for Shankara, right? Shankara Narayan. So we are calculating his tax for the year 25-26. Now, let's say he has salary income 5 lakh. Let me make it, okay, 5 lakh. He has house property income 6 lakh. And he has long-term capital gain. And he has long-term capital gain of rupees 8 lakh. He has long-term capital gain of 8 lakh. How he earned 8 lakh? In this year, he sold, let's say, gold. He sold gold and he earned 3 lakh on this. Please write. And he sold a land. He earned 5 lakh on this. Total how much income he earned? 19 lakh. So he earned 19 lakh rupees. Everybody okay with this? Again repeating.
Yes, sir.
Again repeating. Now let's say, for example, we are sitting in an office. A person comes to us. His income is 19 lakh. This person says, my salary income is 5. My HP is 6. My long-term capital gain is 8 lakh, for example. How he got this long-term capital gain? I'm assuming it is long-term, right? Gold 3 lakh, land 5 lakh. Okay. Tell me, is this long-term capital gain is what type of long-term capital gain? Section 112 or 112A? Everybody tell me.
112.
112.
There is no such thing like shares. Correct? There was no such thing like shares. So can I say this all long-term which he has earned is coming from 112? So this is long-term capital gain. Can I say, write it over here, that this is section 112? Okay. So let us compute the tax. Now, guys, till yesterday, as soon as I was giving you total income, you were applying slab rates on it. No. Now, first of all, we will ask from here whether it has any special income or not. Whether it has any special income or not, the answer comes yes. It has long-term capital gain. So it has long-term capital gain. under section 112, please write it over here. It has long-term capital gain under section 112, which is special, which is a special income. How much it is? Just take it out. How much is the long-term capital gain? 8 lakh. So can I say 8 lakh is long-term capital gain? And all other is normal income. All other is a remaining income, normal income. What you have to do? Just the balancing figure, normal income. 19 minus 8. Just do 19 minus special income. This is what? 11 lakh. Guys, have you understood what I am doing? So what I am trying
Yes,
to
sir.
do is, now I am giving you a point that my entire income is not taxable at slab rate. If I have earned some special income, so it has some special rates also. So long-term capital gain has some special rate, and it is now everything 19 lakh. I will not apply slab rates. I will apply slab rates only on 11 lakh. Now my tax on this is 8 lakh at rate of 12.5%. It is at rate of 12.5%. How much is the tax on 8 lakh? 8 lakh into 12.5% is how much, guys?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. On 8 lakh, I have to pay 1 lakh tax. And on 11 lakh, apply the normal slab rates. 4 lakh, nil. Next 4 lakh, 5%. Next 3 lakh, 10%. Guys, if you are not understanding it fully, doesn't matter, no problem at all. I'm just giving you a little bit that this particular provision, that there is something called a special income. By the after 3 or 4 examples, you will get it everything. So 4 lakh into 0 is 0. 4 lakh into 5% is 20,000. 3 lakh into 10% is 30,000. So how much is the tax on 11 lakh? On 11 lakh, the tax comes 50,000. On 8 lakh, the tax comes 1 lakh. Total he earned 19 lakh. Now, how much is the tax, guys? Please tell me total tax. How much is the tax?
1,50,000.
1,50,000. Add this, 150. Should I stop over here, or I should add 4% cess? 4% cess. How much it is for? 6,000. 1,56,000. This is called my tax liability. Should I round it off, or it is already rounded off? It is already rounded. So I don't have to apply 288B. I don't have to apply that section. It is already rounded off. Everybody understood? Right now, guys, if you have not understood the calculation, I'm perfectly okay with this. But I am giving you a particular scenario that my entire income is not taxable at slab rates. There are certain income which are taxable at some special rates. And long-term capital gain is one of them. So long-term capital gain is taxable at at rate of 12.5%. Understood? Second, let's say now this 112A is also taxable at a rate of 12.5%. It is also taxable at a rate of 12.5%. Sir, they both are taxable at 12.5%. Yes, they both are taxable. But it is 12.5% in excess of rupees 1,25,000. It is in excess of 1,25,000. Whenever we have capital gain which is coming from shares, initial 1,25,000 we don't have to pay taxes. Initial 1,25,000 we don't have to pay taxes. Understood? So what does it mean? That government is saying that if you invest in shares, guys, government is promoting that people should invest in shares. Government is promoting. Guys, I will tell you about these two sections in detail in the chapter of capital gain. As of now, I am giving you an overview. I'm giving you an overview that these types of income, so government is actually promoting that please invest in shares, equity shares. And if you will earn the initial 1,25,000, you don't have to pay tax. If you earn more than 1,25,000, then you have to pay tax at a rate of 12.5%. But here I am not getting the benefit of 125. Now what does it mean? That on this 4 lakh, see, on this 12 lakh, I have to pay directly 12.5. But do you think that on this 4 lakh, I have to pay directly 12.5, or I will reduce 1.25 lakh from here? I will reduce 125 from here, and only on 2,75,000 I will pay taxes. And are you all getting it? Let's say, write an example. Write an example. Compute income tax for Mr. X. Compute income tax for Mr. X. His house property income is 5 lakh. His long-term capital gain is 10 lakh. His long-term capital gain is 10 lakh. And out of it, his 112 is 6 lakh. And 112A is 4 lakh. What is 112A? What is 112, everybody? Equity shares.
Equity shares.
What is 112? All other long term. So his total 5 plus 10, total income is how much? 15 lakh. Divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the normal income. Divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the normal income. Everybody. The first one, write 111A. First one, write triple. What is 111A? I have not told you. Please write first one 111A. Second, write 112. Third, write 112A. Fourth, write casual income. These are 4 special income. We have 4 types of special income. So first, write 111A. What is 111A? I have not told you. I will tell you after 5 minutes. What is 112? What is 112, guys? Long-term capital gain, others. What is 112A? Long-term capital gain on equity shares. Casual income is mainly lottery income, game show income. Guys, have you heard that whenever you win lottery, how much tax you have to pay? 30%. I will tell you that. As of now, casual income, leave it. Now, please tell me, out of 15 lakh, just make the parts of it. Do we have 111A? 111A, we don't know what it is. So write 0 over here. As of now, there is no 111A, write 0 over here. Do we have long-term capital gain? Yes. How much long-term capital gain we have? 10 lakh. But I need only other long-term capital gain. How much it is? 6 lakh. Do we have 112A? Yes. How much it is? 4 lakh. So how much is the casual income? As of now, we don't know what is a casual income. And how much is the normal income? Just do the balancing figure. This is 15. Subtract everything. Guys, what is my special income total? Can you tell me the total? 10. 15 minus all this. 15 minus all this, it would be 5 lakh. Just see, 6 plus 4 plus 5. How much it is? 15. Now, these are taxable at special rates. We don't know about 111A, we don't know about casual income, but we know about 112. 112 is taxable at a rate of 12.5%. 112 is taxable at a rate of 12.5% in excess of, please write, keep on writing, in excess of 1,25,000. Guys, you will understand this after 2 or 3 examples. As of now, just keep on writing. 12%, 12.5% in excess of 125. Casual income, generally I can write it over 30%, but as of now, we don't know what is casual income. We don't have it. And remaining income at normal rate, slab rate. Now, just calculate the taxes. 111A, we don't have anything. 6 lakh, 12.5%. How much it is? How much it is? 75,000 taxes. 4 lakh, what we will do? Out of this 4 lakh, we will not tax initial 125. 125 is exempted. So what we will do? Out of 4 lakh, we will subtract 125 into 12.5%. So we will tax only 2,75,000 into 12.5%. How much it would be? 34,375. Casual income, we will not tax. As of now, there is no casual income. And please tell me how much is the tax on 5 lakh? Slab rates. Slab rates, first 4 lakh, nil. Next 1 lakh, 5%. How much it is? 0, 5,000. So total it becomes 5,000. What is the total tax? 75,000, 34,375 plus 5,000. Add them up. 75,000 plus 34,375
1,14,375
plus 5,000. It is correct. It is how much? 1,14,375. Add 4% cess to it.
1,18,950.
And you will get 1,18,950. Guys, do you need to round it off or it is already rounded off? It is already rounded off. So you don't have to apply that section. If it is not rounded off, then you have to round it off. Otherwise, you have to keep it like this. Okay. Have you written this? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now.
sir.
Now, come back. This is known as long-term capital gain. There are 2 types of long-term capital gain. One is 112 at a rate of 12.5%. One is 112A equity shares at a rate of 12.5%, but in excess of 125. Short-term capital gain, if they are short-term equity shares. Let's say, for example, here please write. Here write. This person has sold a house. You have left now some 2-3 lines over there. So this person has sold house after 1 year and he earned 3 lakh rupees. Tell me guys, long term, short term. What is the parameter of long term, short term? 2 years.
2 years.
Please tell me, it is a long term or short term?
Short terms.
Short term capital gain,
Short
how much he earned? 3 lakh rupees.
3 years.
So this is short term capital gain. Okay. Then he also sold diamonds. Diamonds are the assets. He sold after 6 months and he earned 7 lakh rupees. Tell me long term, short term. Tell me long term, short term diamonds. 6 months. Harini, is he selling it after 2 years
Short term.
or within 2 years? Within 2 years. So what it will be?
Short term.
Short term.
Short term.
He sold equity shares of Reliance. He sold equity shares of Reliance after 2 months and he earned 1 lakh rupees out of it. Tell me long term, short term? Short term. Guys, tell me his total short term. Tell me his total short term. As of now on the screen, how much is the total short term capital gain?
11 lakhs. 11 lakhs.
11 lakh. Short term capital gain, please write 11 lakh. How much is coming from equity shares? Only short term, guys. How much is coming from equity shares?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay, I will write 1 lakh over here. And all other short term will become how much? 10 lakh.
10.
Guys, this is called section 111A. This is called 111A, which is taxable at a rate of 20%. Which is taxable at a rate of 20%. Now, please tell me 112 and 112A, they both are what? Short term or long term?
Long term.
Long term.
Long term.
What is 112A? Long term equity shares. What is 111A?
Short term equity.
Short term
Short
equity
term
shares.
equity shares.
Okay. Guys, please tell me Tata Motors, you sold after 3 years. Is it equity shares? Yes. Reliance, you sold after 2 months. Is it equity shares? Yes. Guys, out of these two, Tata Motors and Reliance, which one is 111A?
Reliance.
Reliance.
Short term. Very good. This one is 111A. Right? It will take some time. Don't worry. Be patient over here. This is a little tricky. This is quite a heavy topic, but I have taken it. Generally, I take it after 3 or 4 classes, but right now I've taken it in this classes. You might be finding it a little bit heavy. It's okay. Completely fine. You will understand this. 111A, 1 lakh. Okay. And what is this, guys? Which section you want to give this? Section number?
112A.
Okay. 111A, the rate of tax is how much? 20%. Okay. Guys, what is this section number would be? Please tell me, what do you think this section would be? This is 112, 112A. This is 111A. This would be?
111.
No. There is no section number for this. There is no section number for this. And this is not a special income also. This is not a special income also. This is taxable at normal rates. Don't learn it. Now, leave it as it is. Now, please write special income. Please write the heading special income. Please write the heading special income. There are 4 types of special. Actually, there are 5, but as of now, 4. I'll tell you 5th one after 1 or 2 class. There are 4 types of special income. First special income is section 111A. Second special income is section 112. Third special income is section 112A. Fourth is casual. We will write it after some time. First special income is section 111A. Guys, can you try? Don't look at it at your notes. Just try yourself. Guys, 111A talks about what? Short-term
Short-term equity shares.
equity shares. Please write short-term equity shares. Tell me the tax rate. At rate of
20%.
20%. Very good. 112. No. First 112A. Guys, give me the name. Give me the name. What it is this 112A?
Long-term.
Long-term equity shares.
Long-term equity shares. At rate of 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. Right? In excess of 1,25,000. What is 112? 112 is long-term capital gain, all others, right? Others long-term capital gain, which is taxable at a rate of
12.5%.
12.5% flat. These are three special income. Fourth is your casual income. What is casual income? We also call them windfall gains. Have you heard this word, windfall gains?
Yes,
हिंदी
sir.
में छप्पर फाड़ के पैसे, windfall gains. Have you heard this word?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
windfall gains? Lottery, game show, quiz, etc. This is taxable at a rate of 30%. Correct? This is taxable at a rate of 30%. Guys, what is windfall gains? Like lottery income. If you want to write example like lottery, game show, you go to any game show, you go to KBC, any quiz, gambling, you go to casinos, all those income which you earn, it is taxable at 30%. These are four. There is one more which is very rare, but I'll tell you after one or two classes. There are four types of, as of now, special income. Assessee will pay tax at this rate, not at the slab rate. So whenever assessee will earn this income, it would be taxable at this rate, not at the normal rate. All other income are normal income. Correct? Okay. Guys, please tell me. Casual income is tax. Don't write it. Whatever I'm writing with the blue color now, don't write it. Guys, what do you think? Casual income is taxable under which head? We have 5 heads: salary, house property, PGBP, capital gain, IFOS. Please tell me. It
IFOS.
is taxable
IFOS.
under IFOS. Okay. Please tell me, bank interest. Is it casual or not casual? What do you think? Is it a windfall gain? Is it a
No,
windfall
not
gain?
cash.
No, it is not
No.
casual. Guys, under which head it is taxable?
IFOS.
IFOS.
IFOS. Okay. Guys, dividend is casual or not casual? No,
Not
it is not a
cash.
windfall gain. Under which head it is taxable? IFOS.
IFOS.
Okay. I have a question from everyone, whether all IFOS are casual, yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
Whether all IFOS are casual? No.
No, sir.
All IFOS are not casual. Only these IFOS are casual. Otherwise, these are not casual. These are they special, guys? Apart from these things, nothing is special. Apart from this thing, nothing is special. So these three are actually capital gains. You can write this. These three are actually covered under capital gain. This is actually part of IFOS. The first three are capital gains. Guys, can you tell me out of 1, 2, and 3? which one is long term? Out of 1, 2, and 3, which one is long term?
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, sir.
Very good. 2 and 3. Can I say, see, and 2 and 3 are covering all long terms? Equity shares long term is here. All other long term is here. Guys, can I say all long term are special?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
this is also special. See, all long term are special. Equity shares is also special, and all other long terms are also special. Can I say all long term are special? Yes.
Yes.
Can I say all short term are also special?
No, sir.
Very good. Now look at your chart. Now look at your chart. See, types of capital gain. Now look at your chart. Now, guys, from now on, you will start understanding it. So whatever heavy portion we are doing now, since last half an hour, now onwards, you will start understanding it. Now, capital gains are of two types. One is long term. Long term again, guys, are they both having a special rate? Yes, they both have the special rate. It is 12.5. It is 12.5, but only the difference is that it is flat 12.5. It is in excess of 125. I'll tell you what is this excess. Short term capital gain, guys, are they both special? No, only this one is special. Only this one is special. All other short term is not special. Now, guys, from now on, you will start understanding it. Now I am giving you an example. Everybody, compute text of Mr. A. Now, from now on, guys, whatever you have learned, everything is over. Now you will be able to apply everything. Compute text of Mr. A. He has salary income 5 lakh. He has business income 4 lakh. He has capital gains 12 lakh. He has capital gains. Guys, when I write capital gain 12 lakh, what do you interpret? Short term, long term, or both capital gains?
Both.
Both capital gains. Okay. Now I am giving you, now I will speak in terms of section number and you will get added to it. Out of this, 11111A was 2 lakh. He earned 12 lakh. This guy earned 12 lakh rupees. Out of this, 111A was 2 lakh. Can you tell me how he has earned this 2 lakh? By selling
Short
what?
term.
Short-term
Short-term equity shares.
Very good. So this year, guys, please understand it practically. Please understand it practically. This person is your client. This person is your client. He comes to your office. You are eating same pizza. No, today you are eating something else. So whatever you are eating. So now this person came to you. He says that my salary income is this. My business income is this. My capital gain is 12 lakh. You said, okay, tell me how you earned this capital gain. So he said my 111, he will not say, but actually we know that his 111 is 2 lakh rupees equity shares. He also said that my 112 is 3 lakh rupees. Guys, what is this 112? Short term or long term?
Other long-term.
Other long term is 3 lakh rupees. So he might have sold any other thing other than equity shares. Then he said my 112A is 4 lakh. Guys, what is this 112A?
Long-term equity.
Long-term
equity shares.
Okay. Guys, is the sum total is coming as 12 lakh? 2 plus 3 plus 4. And can you tell me why it is not coming as 12 lakh? So where is that other amount missing?
Other short-term.
Other short term.
Short-term.
Very good. You don't have to do it, but just in your mind. So there might be other short term also. We don't have to care about it. Don't care about it. It would be other short term. Very nice. Guys, he is saying that I have IFOS income of rupees 6 lakh, and out of which casual is 2 lakh. What does it mean?
Windfall.
Windfall games.
2 lakh he earned from windfall gains, other remaining 4 lakh he earned normally. He earned normally casual income. First of all, tell me how much is his total income. First of all, tell me how much is his total income. 5
27
plus
lakhs.
4 plus 12 plus 6,
27 lakhs.
27 lakh. Everybody, Priya, Manly, Juhi, everybody, okay? Guys,
Yes,
do I need to round it
Yes.
off or it is already rounded off?
Already rounded off.
It
No,
is 27 lakh. Let me write in the complete amount. It is 27 lakh. It is already rounded off. I don't have to round it off. Okay. Now, guys, now, step by step. Now it will become very easy. It will become a cakewalk. Now, after one or two example, you will find it will become a cakewalk. Now, guys, first of all, whenever I ask to compute the taxes, your mind should go to special income first. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 income, and other is normal income. This is normal income. Guys, in sequence, the first sequence will be 111A. Always you have to follow this sequence. I'll tell you in the next class why we are following this sequence. I'll give you the logic. Second is 112. Third is 112A. And the fourth is casual income. Write your special income in this sequence only. 111A, 112, 112A, casual income, normal income. Tell me the tax rate. 111A. Everyone. 20%.
20%.
112 at rate of
12.5.
112A at rate of 12.5% in excess of 125. Casual income 30%. Normal income
50%.
slab rates, normal rates. Normal income slab rates. Now, very easy. Please tell me out of 27 lakh, do we have 111A? Do we have 111A
Yes,
over
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
How much it is?
2 lakhs.
Just write 2 lakh. Do we have 112?
Yes, sir.
3 lakh. What is 112? Please take your mind over there. What is 112? Other long term. 3 lakh. Do we have 112A? 4 lakh.
So,
Do we have casual income?
Yes, sir.
How much? 2 lakh.
2 lakhs.
Guys, just the balancing figure. Tell me the balancing figure. From this amount, just deduct all of them.
16
Just
lakhs.
tell me the balancing figure. How much you told me, guys?
16 lakhs.
16 lakh. Very good. 16 lakh is the balancing figure. Calculate the taxes. Now, on 2 lakh, 20%, how much?
4,000.
40,000?
40,000.
Okay. 3 lakh, 12.5%, how much?
37,500.
37,500. Very good. Guys, 4 lakh, can I directly calculate 12.5% or first 125 is not taxable? First
First 125 is not
125 not tax.
25 is not taxable and 275 into 12.5%. 34,
375.
375. Casual income 60%.
30%.
How much?
60,000.
60,000. And sorry, 30%, 60,000. And on 16 lakh. Guys, now on, do it in rough. Now we know the slab rates now. Do it in rough, not here. Do it in rough. Just in rough. First 4 lakh nil, next 4 lakh 5%, next 4 lakh 10%, next 4 lakh 15%. Done. Got it?
1,20,000.
So 1,20,000. From now on, we will not show the slab rates over here. In rough, we will show. Now your question would be, sir, we have to show this in examinations. No. After 2 or 3 examples, now you will find that slab rate is just kids thing. So we will not be doing it. Directly we'll be doing it. Correct? Tell me the total. Tell me the
2
total.
lakh 875.
2 lakh
91 875.
875. Anything else?
Cess.
4% cess.
Guys, today you have learned so many things actually. In the initial beginning, you might be thinking, "Arey, ye kya ho raha hai?" Initially, you might be thinking, so much things are coming up. But I am telling you, after one or two examples, you will find it very easy. Easy going. 291, 875 into 4%. It is 11,675. Tell me the total.
3 lakh
3,03,550.
3 lakh 3,550. Guys, do we need to round it off? It's already there. Already rounded off. Already rounded off.
Rounded off.
Next time, we don't have to apply that section number. Although we don't have to apply. Otherwise, if this would have been not rounded off, I would have simply written rounded off. And I would have rounded off. So 3 lakh 3,550. So this person, if you will calculate slab rates on 27 lakh, you will get some other taxes, but that he has done is not supposed to pay that. He on special income he is supposed to pay special rate of taxes. 3 lakh 3,550. Now one more example I will do, and then you will do some examples for me. Okay, done now everyone? Okay. Now next example. Compute tax on tax for Mr. C. His business income is 6 lakh. Okay, can you tell me guys? A person is having a shop. Don't write it. This person is having a shop. Let's say he is selling a shop of shoes. And he earned 6 lakh rupees. Under which head it will be taxable?
Business income.
Business
Business
income.
income.
Business income.
Okay. Guys, there is a chartered accountant. He is working with, let's say, PwC. And he is getting a salary. Under which head this would be taxable?
Salary.
Salary.
Salary. There is another chartered accountant. He is practicing. A practicing chartered accountant. And you all know what is a practicing chartered accountant means. So he's a practicing chartered accountant and he earned, let's say, 20 lakh rupees this year. Can you tell me under which head this will be taxable?
Business income.
Business income.
Everybody okay with the business income? Okay, I'll ask you one by one. Is it salary? Everybody tell me, is it salary?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, he is not working anywhere. He is not an employee. He has his own office. He has its own office. Is it house property?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it capital gain?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Guys, do you all agree that it is also a kind of business what he is doing? Everybody?
Yes. Sir.
Although
Yes, sir.
technically what he is doing, he is a professional. So he is having a profession income. Can I say that he is also doing a profession? His profession is also a kind of business. Although you have learned in business studies that there is a difference between a business and a profession, but it is also of the same nature, na? So this is also will go under which head? It will also go under business income only. So a person who is having a shop, showroom, etc., for there also it is business income, and this profession income also goes over there. So this head is technically known as profits which you earn from business or even from your profession. So whether you are having a business or profession, we call it this head only business income, but we call it a name, we give it a name, profits or gains from business or profession. Profit and gains from business or profession, they both come under business income only. And we give them a short name. P, G, B, P. Profits or gains from business or profession. So now on, I will not call it business income. I will call it what? PGBP. Understood?
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
got it? Can I call it by
Yes, sir.
this name? So what is PGBP? Business income, profession income. So all business income, all profession income will go in this head, PGBP. Okay. So his PGBP is 6 lakh. His long-term capital gain, no. His capital gain is 5 lakh. 1182, no, 1183, 112 is 1 lakh. His IFOS income is 2 lakh. His total income is 7 and 6. How much? 13 lakh. Everybody okay? So he has business income, profession income 6 lakh, PGBP, capital gain 5 lakh, IFOS income 2 lakh. Total income is 13 lakh. Wait. Don't jump it up. Guys, always your 4 special income. Whether it is there or not there, please, as of now, for 1 or 2 days, just make it a practice. After that, I'll give you the shortcut. 111A, 112, 112A, casual and normal. 111A, 112, 112A, casual and normal. Okay. Everybody tell me how much is 111A?
3 lakhs.
3 lakh.
3
lakhs.
lakhs.
Okay. How much is 112?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Do we have 112A over here? No, I have not given. So I will write dash. How much is casual?
None, sir.
Very good. There is no casual. Simple, guys. Balancing figure. Simple balancing figure. 13 minus this. 13 minus 4. How much? 9 lakh.
9 lakhs.
Now, 111A, 3 lakh at rate of, please write the tax rate. How much is the tax rate of 111A?
20%.
20%.
Guys, can you tell me what is 111A? How do you get it?
Short-term capital.
Short-term equity shares. Very good. 20%. How much would be the taxes over here? 60,000. 112. What is the tax rate?
12.5%.
12.5%.
Is it in excess of 125 or it is just flat 12.5?
Flat
Flat
12.
12.
Flat 12.5. Very good. So how much it would be? 12,500. 112A we don't have. Casual income we don't have. 9 lakh. Quickly. In rough. First 4 lakh nil. Next 4 lakh 5%. Next 1 lakh 10%. 0, 20,000, 10,000. Is it 30?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Tell me the total.
1,02,500.
1,02,500 is the taxes. Plus 4% health and education cess, which we call it cess only.
4,100.
4,000.
Tax liability already rounded off. We don't have to round it off. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir,
you
in capital gain. Sir, in capital gain there is 5 lakhs. You have wrote 111A 3 lakh, 112 1 lakh, remaining 1 lakh.
correct. Shankara, you are asking this?
Yes, sir.
Good. See? Shankara, capital gain. Everybody, please help. Shankara, how much was the capital gain? 5 lakh, right?
Yes, sir.
Please divide this, everybody. Please divide it into two parts. First part, what is the name called? What I should write? First, capital gain divided into two parts. What is the first name?
Long term.
Long-term capital gain. What is the second name?
Short term.
Short term.
Okay. Don't write it. Don't write it. Shankara and everyone. Long-term capital gain, should I divide this into two parts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the first one? 112. 112A.
112A.
Agree? Shankara?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
STCG, two parts. 111A, other short term.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, Shankara? Okay. Now tell me, 111A 3 lakh, 112 1 lakh. 111A 3 lakh, 112 1 lakh. 112A I have not mentioned. Please tell me, this is 1, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Where this 1 lakh is gone? Shankara? Where
Other
this
short
1 lakh
term.
is gone? It is actually gone in other short term. It is actually gone in other short term. Got it? And other short term will form part of my which income? Normal income. See, if you want to reconcile, guys, but I don't want to confuse you, but still, if you want to reconcile that this 9 lakh is coming from where? Just try. This 9 lakh is coming from where? First of all, tell me, guys, PGBP is special or it is normal?
Normal.
Normal. You don't have to do this way, but still, just to reconcile. 6 lakh is normal. Shankara and everybody, okay? 6 lakh is normal? Okay.
Yes, sir.
How much is normal from this 5?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. That 1 lakh.
Lakh.
Okay. Tell me, is this IFOS special or this is also normal?
Normal.
Normal, 2 lakh. Guys, you got this 9 lakh or not? Shankara,
Yes,
now you
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
You don't have to do this way. You have to simply do the balancing figure. Right? This is how you are getting it. But you don't have to do this way. Okay, one more example. Everybody. Compute X liability of Miss C. She has salary income 4 lakh. Guys, can I ask you, although you don't have to do this, but salary is special or normal? What do you think? Everything else is normal. Please tell me, salary is special or normal?
Normal.
Normal.
Normal,
It is
sir.
normal rate of tax. Okay. Her PGBP is 5 lakh. Guys, what is PGBP? Very nice. Business income, profession income. The full name is profits and gains from business or profession. Either business or profession, same nature. So her PGBP is 5 lakh. Okay. Her capital gain is 6 lakh. Her 112A is 6 lakh. Guys, what does it mean? She earned capital gain 6 lakh and 112A is 6 lakh. What does it mean?
Long-term capital.
Higher capital gain from
Correct, Srivatsan. Correct, Juhi. So what does it mean? That entire capital gain is coming from where? Entire capital gain is coming from where?
Long-term.
Long term.
Long-
Which long term, guys? Which long term?
Equity share.
Long-term
Equity
Long
shares.
term.
Equity.
So what she did is she only sold equity shares. See, in this year, is it possible, guys? Don't get confused with numbers. Just understand practically that how she is earning income. Just understand it practically. Now, let's say, for example, this person is your relative. This person has salary income. This person has business income. And what she did is she sold long-term equity shares. She sold long-term equity shares and She earned 6 lakh rupees, and each and every penny of capital gain is coming from long term equity shares. And she has IFOS income also. Let's say she has some money in the bank account, she has some FD, and she earned 2 lakh out of it. That's it. Guys, casual income. Guys, do you think that tell me the last time when you earned windfall gains? Tell me the last time you earned windfall gains. In fact, if you ask me, I have never earned in my life. I have never I never went to any game show. I never purchased a lottery ticket. I never went to a casino. So I have not earned any windfall gains in my lifetime. And I believe that you also might be. Some of you might be lucky enough if you have earned it, but I have not earned. So is it very common or it is rare? It is rare practically. So she has not earned any casual income. So how much is the income she earned this year is how much? 17 lakh. Is it 17?
Yes, sir.
Total income 17. Guys, same. Whenever I say compute the tax liability, your mind should go to the special income. And it should be, guys, sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the normal income. Please tell me, everybody, how much is for the first one is what? 111A. Same sequence. Second is 112. Third is 112A. Fourth is casual. 111A. Do we have 111A over here?
No, sir.
What is 111A? Short-term equity shares. We don't have. What is 112? Other long-term. Has she earned anything from 112? No. How 112A? Yes. Everything she earned from 112A. 6 lakh. Casual? No. Normal, what you will do? 17 minus all this 11 lakh. How much tax she has to pay now? Zero. Guys, 6 lakh. What I should do? Directly 12.5 or in excess of? In excess of. First, I will subtract 125 from it and then 12.5%. So on 6 lakh, guys, why we subtract 125? I will give you the logic, but not here today. In the chapter of capital gain, I will tell you that why we subtract this. Don't worry. So today I am just explaining you how to compute the taxes. Now you can ask me that why we subtracted, but right now you will not understand. Actually, you need some understanding that we will do in the chapter of capital gain, that why we subtract this. I'll give you entire history of this. Into 12.5%. How much? 59 375. Everybody, 11 lakh. First 4 lakh nil, next 4 lakh 5%, and next 3 lakh 10%. 20, 30, 50. Is it 50?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Very good. So please tell me how much is the taxes?
One lakh 9,370.
Correct. Plus 4% says
1,13,750.
sir.
correct. Okay. Last question for the day. And you have to give me the answer. Sorry. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, last question for the day. Example. Compute tax liability of Mr. Y. This person has PGBP of rupees 20 lakh. This person has capital gain rupees 10 lakh. 111A 5 lakh. 112 112 just 112 2 lakh. 112A 90,000. 112A 90,000. This person has IFOS 3 lakh. Everything is coming from casual. Possible? $33 lakh. Everyone, you have to compute the taxes. This is 111A, 112, 112A, casual, and then the normal remaining. Always the balancing figure. Always the balancing figure. Can you give me the answer? Everyone try, take 1 or 2 minutes and give me the answer, the final answer. Shinanda, Bhuvan, Asmita, everybody, please do it. Inia, Pooja, Abhinav, Manly. Triple one is 5 lakh. 112 is 2 lakh. 112A is 90,000. Casual income is 3 lakh. Is how much is the remaining?
The total tax is
Okay, how much?
4,83,600.
283,600.
4,83,600, sir.
483?
600.
83,600. Okay, this is Harini's answer. 483,600. Everyone, Darshini, Abhinaya, Sunita, Lakshana. Lakshana, am I pronouncing it correctly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shivatsan, Srinati, everyone. Juhi. Okay. I don't know whether Harini's answer is correct or not. I think it's correct, but still, let us check. So, 33. What is the normal income, guys? 33 minus
22,10,000.
22 lakh 10,000. Okay, thank you. 22 lakh 10,000. Now, 111A 5 lakh at rate of 20%. How much is the tax? 1 lakh. 2 lakh at rate of 12.5%. I believe 25,000. 112A 90,000. What you will do? Everybody tell me what you will do. Initial 125 is exempt. Correct na? So initial
Yes.
125 is exempt. So it means everything will be exempted from here. So here the tax would be 0. Why? Because if you will subtract 125, you will not get anything. Negative, it will go in negative. So we can't tax negative amount, right? So it means that whenever you earn this type of income, guys, what type of income it is? Long-term equity shares. So whatever you earn long-term equity shares up to first 1,25,000, you don't have to pay tax. So it means that still I don't have to pay tax on 90,000. Zero. Everybody is clear on this point? Juhi,
Yes, sir.
Bhuvan,
Yes, sir.
Srinanda,
Yes,
everybody?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So we don't have to pay tax over here. 3 lakh, kitna? 30% जाएगा. So 30% on this,
3,000. 90,000.
90,000. Correct. And what is the slab rate on this? First 4, nil. Next 4, 5%, 20,000. I think 20 lakh तक 2 lakh आते हैं और
Sir, I got 2,52,500.
2,52,500.
2,52,500.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me check. $252,500 over here, correct. Now add it up. Add it up.
4,67,500.
4,67,500.
Plus 4%. Yes.
18,700.
4,86,200 sir, total.
486,200. Harini, you are close, but not correct. So 486,200. Where you have made the mistake, Harini?
I missed the 10,000, sir. 22 lakh 10,000. I missed the 10,000.
Okay, no issues, no, not at all. Everybody understood it? So what you have learned today? Everybody please tell me. First of all, please tell me what is the full form of PGBP?
Profit or gain from
Or
business.
gain from business or
Profits or
profession.
gains from business or profession. Okay, very nice. What is the tax rate on short-term equity shares?
20%.
20%.
Very nice.
20%.
20%. What is the section number of other long-term capital gain?
112.
1,2.
What is the tax? What is the tax rate on 112?
12.5.
12.5.
Is it in excess of 125 or flat 12.5?
Flat.
Flat 12.5.
12.5.
Okay. Whether all long-term are special?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Very good. All long-term are special because it is 112 or either 112. So they both are special. Whether all IFOs are casual?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
No, we have
No.
other IFOs also like dividend, like bank interest. Okay. Whether all casual are IFOs?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All
Yes, sir.
casual are IFOs. Correct. All casual are IFOs because casual also forms. See, what is this? What happens is, let's say, see, this is IFOs, right? Let's say this is IFOs. So casual is part of it. Right? So we have other bank interest also. We have dividend also, which is not casual. But yes, casual is also part of IFOs. But all IFOs are not casual. This is not casual. This is not casual. Okay, guys. What is the tax rate on 112A?
12.5.
5%.
12.5%.
In excess of 1,25,000.
Okay. Guys, you got a person. Let's say today a person comes to you and that person asks that this year I have earned rupees 10 lakh. One of your friend came to you and he asked you, and he is telling you, in fact, he's not from CA. Let's say he's doing something else. So he's doing engineering. He said that I earned 10 lakh rupees. You asked him that how, Hare, you are studying, how you earned 10 lakh rupees? He said that I went to the game show and I earned 10 lakh rupees. He has no other income. He has just earned 10 lakh rupees. He is asking you, Hare, you have done some classes of tax. Can you please tell me how much tax he has to pay?
3 lakhs.
30,000.
3 lakhs.
Hare, plus 4% says who will pay? I will not pay from my pocket. He will pay, na? So how much he will pay? Tell me. Don't be half CA. Be full CA. Right? So give him full answer. So how much tax he will
3
pay?
lakh 12,000.
3 lakh
He
12,000.
will pay. Now, guys, whenever you get the total income, whenever you get the total income, now what you will do? See, don't write it, but what you will do? First is what? Triple one A. Always in this sequence. Next time I will tell you that why I am following this sequence. Triple one A, 112, 112A, casual, and normal. Okay. Is you will get the answer like this. See, triple one A. How much this your friend, this engineering guy, he's studying where? PSG college is studying, right? So he said that 10 lakh rupees I earned. Triple one A, how much he got? Zero. Equity shares sold? No. Long term capital gain? No. Long term capital gain on equity shares? No. Casual income? 10 lakh. Tell me how much is normal income? Zero. Why zero? Because the sum total is 10. The balancing figure comes 0. Everybody, Sriniti, Srinanda, everybody okay? Normal income is 0. Now, take 0, 0, 0, 30%, 30% is 3 lakh. 0. So what is the total tax? The total tax comes to 3 lakh plus 4% says 12,000. The total 3 lakh 12,000 he has to pay the taxes. Everybody understood, Pooja?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Lakshana, any doubt? Okay. Okay, tell me different types of assessee. Please name at least 5 assessee. Tell me different types of assessee.
Individual, partnership firm,
Individual, partnership firm. What else?
Company.
company, HUF,
Company,
HUF,
Cooperative
HUF,
society. HUF.
cooperative society. Okay, now you are giving me more than 5. Okay, keep on giving me.
association,
LLP.
LLP,
Okay, what else? There are others also. I have not yet told to you there is something as art, AOP, BOI, Body of Individual, Association of Person. I'll tell you during the lectures. Don't worry about it. Now, for your homework, quickly note down your homework. Compute tax liability in the following cases. No, just okay. A. Let's say these are all individual. Mr. A. His salary income is 5 lakh. His PGBP income is 7 lakh. His capital gain is 9 lakh. From triple one A, it is coming 6 lakh. From 112A, it is coming 2 lakh. Tell me the total.
21, sir.
21 lakh. 21 lakh. Okay, B. His PGBP income is 4 lakh. His capital gain is 7 lakh. 112 is 3 lakh. 112A is 4 lakh. I believe 11. C. His house property is 2. His PGBP is 22. His capital gain is 40 lakh. Triple one A 2 lakh. 112A is, yes, please be careful. You have to follow the sequence 111A, 112, then 112A. So don't get confused. It is 30 lakh and 112 is 3 lakh. So how much it will become? 24, 64. Correct? Now, guys, first of all, once the class is over, in fact, right now also, everybody send me a personal message, and how you have to send it? Personal WhatsApp. Personal WhatsApp. And how you have to send it? Write your first name. Let's say, for example, it is Nivitha, right? So she will send me the personal message, Nivitha, KVA, space KVA, Kalpvraksh Academy, and your attempt J27. If somebody is giving September, September 26, then they can write S26. Somebody is giving May 27, then they can write. This is how they have to write. Just send me a personal message so that I can save your number. So your first name, if you want to write your full name, then it's up to you, no issues. But at least write KVA, Kalpvraksh Academy, and J27 mostly. Mostly, I believe that you are from for January 27. So everybody send me a personal WhatsApp, right? A message. And also, second thing, because these I believe that you will need more than one page. So instead of sending me the pics, guys, instead of sending me the pics, because it is very cumbersome to check those pics. So if you can just make the PDF. Yesterday also, many students have sent me PDF, so it was quite easy for me to check it. So if you can send me the PDF instead of pics, send me the PDF. If it is just one pic, then it's okay. If it's just one page, then pic is okay. But if it is more than one pages, please make it a habit to send me a PDF version. But PDF, everything you have to send it on the group. Just your this, so that I can save your number. So this you have to send me a personal message. Otherwise, everything you have to send on the group. Correct? You can start sending me. Okay. So see you in the next class. And in the meantime, please send your homework.